Connect to any cloud with any microchip core quickly and easily with these turnkey full-stack embedded development tools. Supporting microchips, microcontrollers and microprocessors, these cloud-agnostic kits deliver connectivity over Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and narrowband 5G technologies. Simplify connecting the smallest PIC and AVR microcontrollers to sensor nodes and actuators, or develop edge computing gateways with powerful 32-bit MCUs and MPUs. You can connect to any major core and cloud and maintain strong, secure authentication, leveraging the Trust Platform for crypto authentication devices. And the boards will help you lower your project costs and reduce development complexity with rapid prototyping for your smart application. To find out more, check out the website now.